Happy Monday, everyone. Meteorologist Davis Wells. We're getting us into our weather headlines for this week. We're going to be dealing with that lake breeze for a couple more days. Rain chances actually increasing as we get into the middle of the week. And don't forget, this coming weekend, it's already time to have those clocks fall back 1 hour, getting us a little extra sleep, but a little less daylight during the evening time. Here's the very latest on Hurricane Melissa, continuing to be a major hurricane just to the southwest of Jamaica. Very strong storm pressure is continuing to drop, and it is starting to make its northerly track up towards the coast of Jamaica with wind gusts right now up to 200 miles an hour as of Monday afternoon. And this storm is going to continue to keep its strength up until it gets to the coast of Jamaica. Very impressive when you can see right inside the eye of the storm there from satellite, several hundreds and thousands of miles above the surface here. Very impressive to see that. Now, this is expected to continue to track off to the north and east, still hitting as a Category 5 storm in Jamaica, and then eventually up into Cuba as a Category 3. Still a major hurricane, but for us here back home, obviously quiet conditions. We're not expecting a U.S. landfall with Melissa, but we do have some rain further off to the south, nowhere near to the extent of Melissa, but just still some light rain showers. For us, though, looking to stay dry. And that's going to continue to be the case for really most of Monday, Tuesday. It's not until Wednesday when we start to see some of those rain chances returning. We're going to have those clear skies overhead, even some cooler mornings as well. Some areas have patchy frost, but here comes that pattern change on Wednesday. Some clouds starting to build in from the south, and that's all part of the next system that's going to bring us those rain chances later on Wednesday evening into parts of Thursday. Let's get the latest timing here as we head into the overnight hours. We see that rain really starting to settle in over much of Ohio, even some areas of moderate to heavy rainfall possible with this. Notice we are just on the western edge of this storm. So as this storm moves through and actually rotates around us, we're going to see rain most of Thursday, and it's still possible we could see some spotty showers on Friday, which of course is Halloween. So keep that in mind if you are heading out. You may want to have an umbrella handy as you're heading out with your trick-or-treaters, or even a light rain jacket if possible. But at this point, some spotty showers do look possible for our area. Those wind gusts are also going to continue for the next couple of days as we're dealing with that lake breeze. We'll notice at times winds gusting up to maybe 30 miles an hour for some areas, and that's going to be pretty persistent coming out of the east. Even interestingly enough, areas that are downwind of that lake breeze, look how warm they are up here in Monroe for Tuesday morning into the upper 40s, but areas that are just outside of those wind gusts, or at least downwind from them, into the upper to middle 30s. So we could be dealing with some areas of patchy frost as we start things off for the day, but we'll get back into the middle 50s by later on into the afternoon and evening. Here's the extended forecast. Again, we stay dry through Tuesday. It's not until Wednesday night when we start to see maybe a slight chance for some rain showers. Better chance for rain does look to move in for Thursday. Friday still holding on to a spotty shower possible. We do look to dry out then for Saturday. Clocks fall back on Sunday with only highs into the lower 50s. That stays as we head into Monday. Election Day coming up next Tuesday. Temperature still staying below average. Even some very cool mornings ahead may require a light jacket. Let's look at your extended forecast. Have a great rest of your day.